y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Beauty Bakerie mystery bundle. I'm so excited. You have no idea. This is my first mystery box from Beauty Bakerie. It's definitely not the very first items I've ever used from Beauty Bakerie. I love their brand. I think the Lollipop liquid eyeliner is probably my favorite. They also have really great lipsticks, and I've tried one of their eyeshadow palettes before. I liked it, but anyways, we're gonna see what I got in this. I was like really excited because my BFF Caitlin actually was like, hey, I got an email mystery box, and I was like, girl. So I bought it really fast. Let me see, when did this launch? It was on May 29th, and it was $50, and I believe it's 5 or 6 full-size items. I cannot remember, but when I click on it, it says box number 3, so I assume there's variation. So I got box number 3, but yeah, $50, 5 or 6 full-size items. Cannot remember. We'll figure it out once we get in here and actually see what I got. I'm so excited. But anyways, if you guys want to show any support, then please give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys would do me the honor in subscribing. I've noticed that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed to me, so it would mean so much to me if you are already viewing to just go ahead and subscribe. It really would mean the world to me, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So for my returning subscribers watching, I found my knife, so that's good. Actually, my boyfriend found it, and you guys are not going to believe it. He actually found it in my makeup drawer. What? It was in my top makeup drawer, sitting there in the middle of everything, and I didn't even notice. Like, how silly of me to not notice whatsoever. Okay, this is probably not the best way to do this. Oh, okay, there we go. I got it. So here is what the contents of the box looks like. Let's get a thumbnail photo, shall we? Good. Okay, so we have some tissue paper. Let's just rip it. Oh! Okay, so I'm not sure if this is an item or not. But it comes in a makeup bag. Oh my god. It says, I'm not a baker makeup bag. Oh my god. I just cake a lot. Well, the bag itself is kind of dirty. Here, let me just drop this box. The bag itself is kind of dirty, which I guess could be why it's in a mystery bundle. Maybe because it's like, oh, they don't want to sell it because there's like some stuff on it, but I don't care. Who cares? Oh, ooh, it is really dirty. Look at it. Hold on. Let me see if you can... Can you tell? It's like got black stuff like all over it. You can't really tell. It's too shiny, too bright. But that's okay. I don't care. This is actually a huge bag. I'm not sure if this is going to necessarily be an item or what, but we'll count. We'll figure it out. And then it's all tissue paper in this inside too. I actually love that. How it's like a present within a present within a present, so that's really fun and exciting. Also, if you were wondering, I am wearing the Jeffree Star cremated on my eyes. I'm doing a few days in a row of me doing eye looks, and then I'm gonna put it into one video. So if you guys were wondering, you probably weren't, but I'm just gonna tell you anyways. It's the cremated palette video coming soon. Okay, I'm so excited to open this up. Oh, we got some good stuff. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the makeup bag would be the 6th item, and I paid $50, and I think I got a good deal just based off of what I'm seeing right now. This is something I was going to buy. Which one is this? Okay, so this is the Beauty Bakerie Better Not Bitter Flour. What is this? Setting powder. That's what it's called. Oh my god. And see, I love how it looks like... What is up with this, like... focusing? Let's just not do that. Okay, can you focus a little bit better? No? Okay, fine. But I love how this literally looks, you know, like you bought some flour at the store. You know what I mean. But yeah, and then it has, it's 100%, oh, that's so cute. Hold on. Oh wait, it's an oat translucent. That's amazing. Okay, so the nutrition facts on the side says 100% vegan, 0 calories, gluten 0%, lightweight, yes, mattifying, yes, flashback, Nah, that's funny. I love that. Gosh, why won't it focus? I changed my camera settings again and now I can't get anything to focus. We'll have to fix that. Anyways, oh, I'm so excited. I was gonna buy this off of the Boxy pop-up, but I was gonna get the pink one because I wanted to settle and try it, but oh, I'm so excited. Okay, here it is. Beautiful packaging. I wonder if it has a scent to it. How do you open this up? Oh, duh. Duh. Okay, so it doesn't really have a scent, so that's amazing, and I love how it has this little guy, so you can like, well, the little turntable, so you can have it open or locked. So I'm very, 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 very excited about this. And what is the retail value of this? Let's figure out the retail value so we know how much of a good deal we got. So this retails for $24, so that's a good deal. $24 so far, and I paid $50. Next up, we have something in this little box that says strawberry. Oh, it's a sugar lip scrub. Great. It says everyone's ordering sugar lip scrub, and this is in the shade strawberry. So excited to give this one a try. So here it is. Again, I'm so sorry that it's not wanting to focus. That's totally my bad, but it's in a nice, like, this is a heavy little guy. Ooh, it smells really good too. Yeah, so you can tell, well, you can't tell because my camera sucks, but yeah, just a little sugar scrub. Let's see what the retail on this guy is. So this retails for $12, so we have 24 plus 12, so 36 so far. Now we have a gloss, and the packaging is so stinking cute. Oh, again, I really wish you could like get a focus on it, but here is the packaging. It looks like a waffle cone, and this is a gloss. Oh, okay, hold on. Doop. Got it. Great. Ooh, this is a very pretty color. Look at the packaging. So nice. Looks like a little like lollipop swirl. Ooh. Doesn't really have a scent, but it does like also have a scent, but it's very faint. I can't tell what it is, but here's the color of the gloss. Just very, very pretty. Definitely everyday friendly, and I really, really like that. It has some pink sparkle to it, so love that. Love that for sure. Let's see how much the gloss retails for. They retail for $18, and I should probably tell you the shade name. It is Jelliana, I think. Jelliana Lip Whip Gloss. So $18. So that's $54. These three items have already paid for the box. Great. Now we have, this is a metallic liquid lipstick. Here's the packaging on this guy. Super cute. And do we know the shade name? Hazelnut Swirl. Ooh, this one's a very, very dark shade. So here it is. Let's give it a swatch. Oh yeah, this one's definitely like brown, but like a very beautiful brown. I don't actually have this shade in my collection, so I'm very, very excited about it. And it does, obviously it's a metallic, so it looks like a metallic, but it doesn't look like over metallic, if that makes sense. Like some metallics look just a little too much metallic. So I do enjoy the fact that this is not as metallic. So this also has a retail value of, oh wait, no. This has a retail value of $20, so it's a few dollars more. So we're up to $74, and let's show you the very last item, which is so exciting. I'm pretty sure I saw this on sale not too long ago, but this is the Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey palette, which packaging 10 out of 10, super freaking cute. Love the little honeycombs. And this is a highlighting palette, I think. So creamy, you don't need butter. You'll be all the sugar after you milk that glow with our silky smooth milk and honey highlighters. Grab your bakeware and strobe, mix, or layer in abundance. Ooh, so pretty. You know what? I was actually going to buy this when I saw it on sale. It was a while ago, and I'm pretty sure my friend Caitlin bought this, but I'm not 100% sure. But my God, these shades are so pretty. I want to swatch them, but I want to find out what the value of this is real quick. This retails for $38. Amazing. This one, the shade Be Sweet, has a little milk and honey little imprint here with a little honeycomb stick. So cute. So I'm gonna swatch Oh Honey, which is this pink shade. Ooh. These are very creamy too. Queen Being, which is a darker shade, Spoiler Alert, a lighter shade, and then Be Sweet, which is that corally shade. These do actually feel like amazing. Like they feel so good. Here are the shades swatched. I'm not sure if you can see very well. 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, I'm so excited. And then this makeup bag is like, it's huge and it's super cute too. So yeah, I don't know how much this would retail for. I wonder if they have it on the website. So let me add 38 to this. So everything by itself, not including the makeup bag, $112, so that's good. And I'm pretty sure it was like over $100 value too. Not 100% sure, but like this is a good value for sure. Yeah, I'm not seeing makeup bag on here. Yeah, I'm not seeing a makeup bag on here, so I don't know the value of that, but alone the makeup, the value is so good, so I'm very excited about that. And what I'm most excited for is this, because I was wanting to purchase this on its own. Like, I'm so excited, and I am really excited to also try the lip scrub. I have tried the Jeffree Star ones and I actually wasn't impressed. Like, a lot of people like praise those, but I personally wasn't impressed, so hopefully this one will be good. I like to keep them in my shower. So yeah, I also tried another one from another brand that I can't remember, and that one wasn't very good either, so hopefully this one will be good. I'm gonna put it in my shower because I like to do all of that in my shower. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, again, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!